Alright, pinball machine is finally on a set of legs again. Who knows when the last time this thing was standing under its own power. So, use some old scrap metal that's sitting around, make some legs for it. Same thing I did for my other pinball machine project. I do still need to go in and, let's see, the bottoms there, I gotta cut and fold the metal and then drill and tap a hole and put some leveler feet. So that way if this thing's sitting on a uneven surface, which I know it is right now because this garage floor is not level, I can adjust it. Unfortunately, I got no idea what angle this machine is supposed to sit at. So, yeah. So right now I do have the back legs a couple inches longer than the front. And the reason I decided to do that instead of making them all even, the bolt pattern for the back legs is a different size apart where the holes bolt than the front. So that tells me that the back legs were a different length than the front because they have to specifically go to the back. So added a couple inches. Find out what it is down the road. I do have a set of leveler feet coming for it.